Hello friends and welcome to another unbox. This time we have the Asus GeForce GTX 1660 Super Overclocked Edition with a VRAM of 6 GB GDDR6. Alright, so here are some minimum requirements, different languages. This is how it looks like the front. So as you can see, it has some subtle lighting. And it has a software suite, and here are some specifications. I presume that this box might not have the CD like the other Asus RTX 2060 that I have. Here it is, the graphic card. Very interesting. It doesn't have a backplate, but like all the other Asus, it has a protection here for the pins. So it has the protection also for the DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Over here it has the fan connector. On the side it has nothing. On the top it has the 6-pin connector, and it's quite a huge radiator also. I presume that, yeah, over here it is the processor inside, and you can see also these lines coming out from it. And here at the bottom you can see much better. Okay, so over here it has that subtle light. The fans are really nicely made. They also are interconnected to each other. This way it will be quite difficult to break the blades of this rotor. It will have high durability in time. Very nicely done. Alright, so let's compare it with some other graphic cards. So this is the GTX 1650 Super, and if you make a comparison between them, they are quite equal in length. The only thing is that the rotor blades, the fans, and the Asus are a little bit taller, a little bit bigger, which makes a much better airflow. So here it is, the GTX 1650 low profile, and in comparison with the 1660 Super, the 16 Super is a little bit longer. If you put it this way, you can actually see how it looks like. And inside the box, well, apparently we have this warranty card, the speed setup, which is a quick guide how to install the GPU, in different languages. And as I presume there is no CD, you have to download the GeForce Experience and install it by yourself. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, give also a like, and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me tremendously to upload more content in the future. Bye bye.